Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken Tentacle bait in Pets Go. This special bait is essential for catching some of the rarest aquatic pets in the game. We'll cover 3 primary methods: crafting, monster drops, and purchasing from a vendor. Getting this bait might seem tricky at first, but with this guide, you'll be reeling in those legendary creatures in no time. Let's dive right in. One excellent way to obtain Kraken Tentacle bait is through crafting. You'll need to collect specific ingredients: 5 deep-sea cores, found in the deepest ocean trenches, and 3 vials of abyssal ink, often dropped by shadowy sea creatures. Once you have these, head to the alchemist in the sunken city. For every successful craft, you will receive 1 powerful Kraken Tentacle bait, ready for your next big fishing adventure. Another exciting method to acquire Kraken Tentacle bait is by defeating formidable foes. The Elder Kraken, a colossal boss residing in the abyssal depths, has a chance to drop this valuable bait upon defeat. Its drop rate is about 1 in 10 encounters, so persistence is key. Additionally, participating in the weekly Deep Sea Challenge event can offer this bait as a guaranteed reward for completing all objectives. Prepare for a thrilling battle. For those looking for a quicker acquisition, Kraken Tentacle bait can also be purchased directly. Visit the rare goods vendor located in Port Azure near the docks. Each individual Kraken Tentacle bait will cost you 500 gold coins. The vendor has a limited stock, typically 10 baits, which refreshes every 24 hours. This option is perfect if you have a surplus of gold and want to bypass the crafting or hunting process entirely. Happy fishing!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.